About this item: one-step installation and disassembly. SmallRig Light Diffuser innovatively uses all-in-one design. The bottom hook is widened and raised. The special design help you only take 3 seconds to complete the installation, one step only. Compared to other ordinary softbox, SmallRig Light Modifier is easier and faster to install. Omnidirectional light and light source control. Omnidirectional light, compared with square or parabolic softbox, the lantern light modifier can provide omnidirectional soft light source with 270 degrees beam angle, so that you can fill the light without shadow. Light source control. SmallRig softbox provides 4-side fabric barn doors. You can close 1 4-side according to your needs. Flexible control light source, soft light fabric and solid supporting umbrella rib fabric, using high-performance soft light fabric, adding high reflective coating, maximizes the high CRI of the video lamp itself, while bringing a 360-degree soft light effect. Supporting umbrella rib. Adopt 12 high toughness supporting umbrella rib, with high memory rebound characteristics, can withstand thousands of times of repeated disassembly use. Top chuck, made of stainless steel for durability. Bowens mount compatibility. SmallRig lantern softbox compatible with all Bowens mount light, for example,